Hello everyone. Today we will learn about the different types of sentences in the English language. Let us try to learn about them together. And always remember that learning is super fun. There are 4 types of sentences in the English language. They are declarative, imperative, exclamatory, and interrogative. Each sentence type serves a different purpose. They make the writing more well-structured and meaningful. Let us learn about them in detail. Declarative or assertive sentence. The role of a declarative sentence is to make a statement, and is usually informative. Such sentences consist of a period or full stop at the end. Here are some examples of declarative or assertive sentences. He is a boy with black hair. I like thriller novels. This is my home. Imperative sentence. The imperative sentence can be considered as a sentence which contains a request, an order, or a command. Such sentences consist of a period at the end. But sometimes they use an exclamation mark at the end also. Here are some examples of imperative sentences. Please lend me your book. Close the door. Follow the leader's orders. Exclamatory sentence. The sentences which have an expression of surprise and consist of different sudden feelings are called exclamatory sentences. Such sentences consist of an exclamation mark at the end. Here are some examples of exclamatory sentences. What a beautiful dress! Oh, what a nice day! Wow, such a pretty flower! Interrogative sentence. A sentence which consists of a question and expresses the emotion of questioning is considered an interrogative sentence. Such types of sentences have a question mark at the end of them. Here are some examples of interrogative sentences. When will you sleep? Did you do your homework? Is he going to the park? Let us revise the types of sentences once again. They are of 4 types, namely, declarative or assertive sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, interrogative sentence.